welcome to another video. I'll be showing you how to make a shirt in Roblox. First, you will go to create, and it will bring you to this place. If it doesn't, then just like search this up. You can pause. Or if you have a group, you can go to the store and create or manage group items, and I'll just bring you to this page. And did you use the template? If not, you would download it here and just click there and you can get it. Left click and save image as, and put it in pictures or something. Next, you would go and search up photopea.com. Holy, I just heard a loud thump and it was going on for a long, Jesus Christ, sorry. Where is it? Oh, and you would go to Photopea, click open from computer and select the template and click open, and you will be brought here. Select this tool and go to one corner and just drag your mouse down and click delete/backspace, and it should look like this. If you do this and it doesn't get the full color, just click Control Z at the same time and it'll just redo the oh shoot, oh god, zoom out, okay, sorry about that. Oh Jesus, dang it, I don't know how to do this. I don't know. Oh shoot, okay, never mind. Yeah, and just oh my god, I don't like this. I don't like Photopea. And just delete it. You can skip, because this will take me a very long time. Like an actual very long time. Holy, I cannot concentrate with that stupid loud noise outside. It is downstairs. And holy. I don't even live alone. I live with my mom still. I'm only 16. Okay. I'm not done yet. But yeah, just skip this if you really hate me talking. Anyway, how's your life been? How's life? You're doing good? Good to hear. But if you're not doing good, then sorry about that. Sorry to hear. Oh my god, this is gonna take forever. This is the best I can do. Okay. Once you've done that, you would search up a color. Let's do purple. Yeah, you'll search up a color, images, and you would find, ooh, these are pretty. Find a color that you like, or a design that you like. I really like this. Oh, but this is like the what's it called? Landmark. Anyway, you would click this thing, left click, save image as, save. Go to file once you've done it, and open and place. And select the image. If it looks like this, just drag the layer down, and it should look like this. You can, oh shoot, go to free transform and just make yeah, and I really hate this. And just, yeah, transform it. If it's not, like, big enough, oh my god, so sorry. I want, like, the moon to be there. Oh, wait, big brain moment. Dang it, it doesn't work. I really hate this. Okay, I'll just grab a solid color. You know what? I don't even care. Let's do this. Save. And yeah, let me just do this again because... Oh god. Huh? Yeah, let's go. Okay, so it should look like this. Now, okay, so I would prefer you leave this part empty, like transparent, because this will be like your hands, like the hands, and this is like the torso part. Okay. So let me transform this again real quick. Oh, I'm transforming this. Okay, yeah. Anyway, it should look like this if you want. With your color. Then you can just search up an image like, let's do Pikachu. And then you would just save it and then go here, and make a new layer with that one and make it small and then place it there if you want. But I'm not doing that. Holy, wait, that's a squishmallow? Okay, go to file and export as PNG. Name it whatever you want. Perp. Yeah, perp. And click save once you're done. Go to develop back, choose file. And yeah, let me find it. So, please tell me I did save it. But if it also didn't work like this, where was it? If it didn't work like me, just do it again. Save templates. Develop. I know I have a lot of tabs open, okay? Bro! Okay. know what? I'll just use this one. And open and upload for 10 Robux. I don't have that much Robux. I spent it all on this one. Yeah. That's how you do it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Please like the like button and subscribe. And join my group, please. It's called Rainy. The I is just a lowercase L, all capital. Oh shoot. And yeah, please join my group and buy some stuff here. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.